from the gentle deer grazing in the forest to the majestic giraffes towering over the savannah. We'll explore the unique characteristics and behaviors that make each of these animals so special. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this wild journey together. Let's start with the graceful and serene deer. These gentle herbivores are found across the globe, from the dense forests of North America to the open grasslands of Asia. There are over 90 species of deer, each adapted to its environment. The most well-known species include the white-tailed deer, red deer, and reindeer, also known as caribou in North America. Deer are known for their slender bodies, long legs, and, in many species, the impressive antlers that the males grow each year. These antlers are primarily used during the mating season when males, or bucks, fight for dominance and the right to mate with females, known as does. Antlers are made of bone and can grow rapidly, sometimes as much as an inch per day. After the mating season, these antlers are shed and regrown the following year. Deer are highly adaptable creatures, thriving in a variety of habitats, from woodlands and wetlands to suburban areas. They're primarily browsers, feeding on a diet of leaves, twigs, fruits, and nuts. Their keen senses of smell, hearing, and vision help them detect predators, allowing them to quickly flee at the slightest sign of danger. Despite their seemingly delicate appearance, deer are incredibly resilient animals, capable of surviving in some of the harshest conditions. Next, we move on to the tallest land animals in the world, magnificent giraffes. Native to Africa, giraffes are instantly recognizable by their long necks, distinctive spotted coats, and towering legs. These gentle giants can grow up to 18 feet tall. Necks alone measuring up to 6 feet. But why are giraffes so tall? The answer lies in their diet. Giraffes are herbivores that feed primarily on the leaves of acacia trees, which are often out of reach for other herbivores. Their long necks and tongues up to 18 inches long allow them to reach the highest branches, where they can enjoy a meal in relative peace. This specialized feeding strategy reduces competition for food, as few other animals can access the same food sources. Giraffes live in loose social groups, known as towers, where individuals come and go as they please. They communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, from low-frequency hums to grunts and snorts. Despite their size, giraffes are surprisingly vulnerable to predators like lions, especially when they bend down to drink water. To protect themselves, giraffes rely on their powerful legs, capable of delivering a deadly kick to any predator that gets too close. In recent years, giraffe populations have been declining due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these gentle giants and ensure their survival for future generations. Now, let's take a closer look at the baboon-shyly social and intelligent primates found across Africa and parts of the Arabian Peninsula. Baboons are known for their complex social structures, which are among the most intricate of any non-human animals. These primates live in large troops, sometimes consisting of hundreds of individuals, where they establish strict hierarchies. Baboons have powerful jaws and sharp canine teeth, which they use for defense and to establish dominance within the troop. Their diet is incredibly varied, ranging from fruits and seeds to insects, small mammals, and even other primates. This omnivorous diet allows baboons to adapt to a wide range of environments, from arid deserts to lush forests. One of the most fascinating aspects of baboon behavior is their social interactions. Troops are typically led by a dominant male who maintains his position through displays of strength and aggression. Females, on the other hand, form strong bonds with one another, often grooming each other as a way to reinforce social ties. These grooming sessions not only help maintain hygiene, but also reduce stress and strengthen relationships within the troop. Baboons are also known for their intelligence, which they use to solve problems, find food, and navigate their complex social world. However, their close proximity to human settlements often leads to conflict, as baboons can become pests when they raid crops or homes in search of food. Conservation efforts focus on finding ways to coexist with these intelligent primates while protecting their natural habitats. From the warm savannahs, we now travel to the icy realms of Antarctica, where we find one of the most beloved and recognizable birds in the world, penguins. Penguins are flightless birds that have adapted to life in some of the harshest environments on Earth. There are 18 species of penguins, ranging from the tiny fairy penguin of Australia and New Zealand to the majestic emperor penguin of Antarctica. Penguins are perfectly adapted to their aquatic lifestyle. Their wings have evolved into flippers, allowing them to fly through the water with incredible speed and agility. On land, however, they waddle awkwardly, a charming trait that has endeared them to people around the world. Penguins primarily feed on fish, squid, and krill, which they hunt during long dives in the ocean. One of the most remarkable aspects of penguin life is their breeding behavior. Emperor penguins, for example, endure the freezing Antarctic winter to breed, with males incubating a single egg while females go off to feed. This incredible feat of endurance highlights the penguin's resilience and adaptability in the face of extreme conditions. Penguins are also known for their strong social bonds. They often form large colonies, called rookeries, where they huddle together for warmth and protection. Within these colonies, penguins engage in a variety of social behaviors, from courtship displays to vocalizations that help them recognize their mates and chicks. However, penguins face numerous threats, including climate change, overfishing, and pollution, which are affecting their food supply and habitats. Conservation efforts are critical to ensuring that these remarkable birds continue to thrive in their natural environments. Next, we explore the world of rhinos, massive and powerful herbivores that have roamed the earth for millions of years. Rhinos are known for their thick skin, large size, and, of course, their iconic horns, which have unfortunately made them a target for poaching. There are 5 species of rhinos: the white and black rhinos of Africa, and the Indian, Javan, and Sumatran rhinos of Asia. Despite their differences, our rhinos share a few key characteristics, such as their large size, with some species weighing over 2 tons. Their thick skin acts as armor, protecting them from predators and thorny vegetation. Rhinos are primarily solitary animals, although some species, like the white rhino, can be more social, often found in groups known as crashes. These herbivores spend their days grazing on grasses, leaves, and shoots, using their horns to break branches and strip bark from trees. Despite their size, rhinos have relatively poor eyesight, relying instead on their keen sense of smell and hearing to detect danger. One of the biggest threats to rhinos is poaching, driven by the demand for rhino horn. which is falsely believed to have medicinal properties. This illegal trade has brought several rhino species to the brink of extinction, with the Javan rhino being one of the most endangered mammals in the world. Conservation efforts, including anti-poaching patrols and habitat protection, are crucial to saving these incredible animals from extinction. From the vast grasslands, we now travel to the high-altitude regions of South America, where we find the alpaca, domesticated member of the camelid family, closely related to llamas and camels. Alpacas have been bred for thousands of years by indigenous people of the Andes for their soft and luxurious wool, which is highly prized for its warmth and hypoallergenic properties. Alpacas are gentle and social animals, often found in herds where they communicate through a series of soft hums, grunts, and other vocalizations. These animals are well adapted to the harsh conditions of the Andes, with thick wool coats that protect them from the cold and strong, padded feet that allow them to navigate rocky terrain. There are two breeds of alpacas, the Huatzaya, which has fluffy, crimped wool, and the serene, with long, silky fibers that hang in locks. Alpaca wool is known for being incredibly soft, lightweight, and warm, making it a highly sought-after material for textiles. Alpacas are also valued for their gentle nature, making them popular as pets and therapy animals. Their calm demeanor and friendly disposition make them well-suited to interactions with humans, and they are often used in animal-assisted therapy programs to provide comfort and companionship. In addition to their wool and gentle nature, alpacas are also important to the livelihoods of many indigenous communities in the Andes. Their wool is a vital source of income, and the animals themselves are often a significant part of cultural traditions and ceremonies. As such, efforts to protect and preserve alpaca populations are not only important for the animals themselves, but also for the people who depend on them. Moving on, let's explore the world of birds, powerful and awe-inspiring creatures that are found across the globe, from the icy Arctic to the dense forests of North America and Asia. There are 8 species of bears. Each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations. The most well-known species include the polar bear, grizzly bear, and giant panda. Bears are known for their incredible strength, with some species, like the grizzly bear, capable of taking down prey as large as moose and elk. Despite their reputation as fearsome predators, most bears are omnivores, with diets that include a variety of foods such as berries, nuts, fish, and small mammals. Some species, like the giant panda, are almost entirely herbivorous, feeding primarily on bamboo. Bears are also known for their intelligence and problem-solving abilities. They have been observed using tools, such as rocks, to access food, and they are capable of learning complex behaviors, such as opening containers and doors. Bears are highly adaptable animals, capable of surviving in a wide range of environments, from the frozen tundra to tropical rainforests. However, bears face numerous threats, including habitat loss, climate change, and poaching. Polar bears, in particular, are highly vulnerable to the effects of climate change, as the melting of Arctic sea ice reduces their ability to hunt for seals, their primary food source. Conservation efforts are essential to protecting bear populations and ensuring their survival in the face of these challenges. Finally, we travel to the land down under to explore the world of kangaroos, one of Australia's most iconic animals. Kangaroos are marsupials, which means that they carry and nurse their young in a pouch. There are 4 species of kangaroos: the red kangaroo, eastern gray kangaroo, western gray kangaroo, and antelope kangaroo. Kangaroos are known for their powerful hind legs, which allow them to hop at high speeds across the Australian outback. They can cover large distances with each hop, reaching speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Their long tails provide balance, and their strong forelimbs are used for grooming, feeding, and defending themselves from predators. Kangaroos are herbivores, feeding primarily on grasses and other vegetation. They're well adapted to the arid conditions of Australia, with the ability to survive long periods without water by obtaining moisture from the plants they eat. Kangaroos are also social animals, often found in groups called mobs. These groups are typically led by the dominant male, who protects the group and mates with the females. Kangaroo populations have adapted well to human presence, and they are often seen grazing in fields and pastures near urban areas. However, kangaroos can sometimes come into conflict with humans, particularly when they venture into agricultural areas or crossroads. Efforts to manage kangaroo populations and reduce conflicts with humans are important for ensuring the coexistence of these iconic animals with the people who share their environment. As we come to the end of our journey, we hope you've enjoyed learning about the incredible diversity of wildlife on our planet. Each of these animals plays a vital role in their respective ecosystems, and their survival is crucial to the health of our planet. From the gentle deer to the powerful kangaroo, these creatures remind us of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. It's up to all of us to protect and preserve these amazing animals and their habitats for future generations to enjoy. Thank you for joining us on this wild adventure, and be sure to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of wildlife. Until next time, keep exploring and keep discovering the wonders of nature.